What's up? Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV today. 24 F150 4x4. I love it. You know why? It's a sleeper. Makes over 850 the tires, over 650 torque. We're going to tell you how we got there. We're going to watch a dyno pull. We're going to go down and take a look at the mods. Hey, if you haven't subscribed, notify, stay up to date. Doug's with me. As always, let's go check it out. All right, couple things before we go down and take a look. So we've been getting a lot of these F-150s in late. Whipple is the way to go on these. So this one right here, we have the Stage 2 Whipple Supercharger. That's how it started. He came back for more mods. Doug, come down here and take a look. So Stage 2 Whipple, of course you get the big throttle body, but it's like, I want more power. So how do you do that on these? High compression Coyote engine, E85. Fore turnstile fuel system. We also have a set of Stainless Works long tube headers, 3.375 pulley. We're gonna look at the dyno graph. We're gonna look at the boost, but pretty much that's about it on this. So you got Stage 2 Whipple, ID 1050 injectors, E85, Fore dual pump, return style fuel system, and a set of long tubes. Check out this dyno pull. All right, one of the questions we get a lot, and it's just not on an F-150 with a Whipple, but on Mustangs in general, is you have your standard Stage 2 kit, but you're like, how do I make more power? But really, with that engine, E85 is how you're gonna do it. Engines are strong, add boost, have the proper fuel, make more power. Doug, come over here, take a look. Dynojet SAE, smoothing 5, 854 raw horsepower, peaking at 7,600. Torque comes in, love it, 655. Peaking about 5,600. Now this boost does show with that 3.375, we're peaking at 15.37, but really it's about 14 to 14 and a half across the board, a little spike at the end, hitting that 15.3 right there. But 4x4 truck, 2-door short bed. Like I said, a lot of these have been coming in, they're popular. We keep these blowers in stock. You want one shipped to your door? No problem, we can do it. You want to come in for an install, email quote@brenspeed.com. Say, hey, what's this cost to get installed? And maybe you're watching this, we have a Mustang, we have Whipples in stock as well. Hey, questions, leave a comment, happy to answer. Thanks for watching.